Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So ang topic po natin ngayon is Jesus, the Wonderful Counselor. Jesus as the Wonderful Counselor demonstrates God's perfect wisdom in guiding His people. He provides insight that surpasses human understanding, offering direction in every area of life, especially when facing trials and uncertainties. His guidance is rooted in His sovereign authority and unfailing love, ensuring that His counsel leads to righteousness and life. He brings clarity to decisions and hope to hearts that trust in Him. So ayon po sa Isaiah chapter 9 verse 6 to 7, "For to us a child is born, to us a son is given, and the government will be on his shoulder. And he will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace. Of the greatness of his government and peace there will be no end. He will reign on David's throne and over his kingdom, establishing and upholding it with justice and righteousness from that time on and forever. The zeal of the Lord Almighty will accomplish this." So ayon po sa ating katuruan, Jesus is a wonderful counselor. So si Jesus ang ultimate consultant natin. Hindi lang siya basta nakikinig, binibigyan niya tayo ng divine perspective sa mga problema natin. Kapag feeling mo lost ka o hindi mo alam ang gagawin, He offers wisdom na hindi kayang ibigay ng mundo. And Jesus directs the future of the nations. Siya ang may hawak ng remote control ng kasaysayan. Kahit magulo ang politika, ang ekonomiya, we can rest easy knowing na in control pa rin ni si Jesus. He is the King of Kings and nothing happens without His permission. And Jesus settles dispute for many peoples. So siya ang sandigan pagdating sa hustisya at pagkakaisa. Sa gitna ng mga away o gulo ng mundo, si Jesus ang nagdadala ng tunay na reconciliation. He is the bridge that brings people together. And sa applications naman, pursue God's wisdom and will for your life. So huwag lang basta mag-decide based sa emotion o sa trend. Seek God first bago ka kumuha ng major step. Tulad ng paglipat ng career o pakikipag-relationship. Itanong mo muna, Lord, ito ba ang gusto mo para sa akin? And pray for God's peace to confirm His will and protect relationship through peacemaking. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat.